Hey, hi, this is Mitch from RV Wholesalers. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 Forest River Gray Wolf 29 RRT, which is a Toyhauler travel trailer. The biggest thing with this unit is it's got an 11-foot garage. It's weight-wise, it's coming in basically about 72.93 on your dry weight. Has a total length of 38 foot 3 inches. It is 8 foot wide. It does have a slide out. It does have a ramp door patio on the back of the unit with opposing, seating areas on the inside. Cherokee's biggest thing with them on the Gray Wolf is, it's one of the most popular units out there. Construction's really good, quality's really good on the unit. Freshwater, you're looking at 40 gallons of freshwater, 28 gallons on your black water, and 38 gallons on your gray water. You're also going to have an overall height of 10 foot 6 inches, hitch weight of 1255, cargo capacity is 2692, and GVWR is 9,985. A couple big features that you're going to see is this does feature an outside kitchen. So it's a rarity to find an outside kitchen in a toy hauler, so that's going to be a big selling point on this particular unit. Hey, good afternoon. My name is Mitch Eilerman. I'm from RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to look at a 2022 Gray Wolf. The model is a 29 RRT, which is going to be a toy hauler travel trailer. Just starting up front here, you're going to have a power tongue jack. What's awesome about Cherokee is, and we just recently started carrying the line, is there's so much compact, there's not a lot of options to choose from, so it makes it simple and easy that you're getting all your features. You don't have to try to decipher through a bunch of different options. So, and we're going to look at a lot of that different stuff today. So first off, power tongue jack. It's going to come with both your propane tanks up front, obviously your battery. We'll just swing over to this side a little bit here. Notice once you get to this side, you've got your hot water heater, you've got your outside shower, and then you're going to have your city water intake as well as your fresh water fill on this side as well. We'll swing back around. Okay, coming down, you've got full pass-through storage, or not full pass-through because you got your water systems on the other side. So you got your big storage, which will go up underneath your bed as well. This does have a solar panel called the Juice Pack that comes standard on the unit. You're going to notice we've got a big the actual length of the awning is going to come in at, I think it's roughly about 18 foot or so. And then this does have a power awning as well as a blue lights. And you'll see that concept with Cherokee a lot. They use a lot of nice blue accent lighting, so you'll see that when we get on the inside as well. You do have an awesome blacked out door with the Gray Wolf Limited badge. They do a nice cutout as far as their solid steps, which is 3 entry. And you can't really tell, but that does have a window, so it's just, you can't see in, but you can see out as well. So that's a nice thing that they do too. Coming over to the side here, more blue accent lighting on your speakers. Does have your TV spot, so you can put your TV inside or outside, plug right into your hookups as well. Moving over. This is something that's really hard to find in a toy hauler, is an outside kitchen. I get that question all the time. So this is going to be a really, really popular model because you don't find this very often. One cool thing is they get the nice flat top gray stone griddle, a refrigerator, and they even do an ice maker. And that I don't have anything else that does ice makers on our lot. So that's really a cool feature that they're doing that nobody else is doing. And then you still got your hot and cold shower to spray stuff off, fill up pots and pans. Everything's all compact. And then this will just slide in and out, and you got your little door that slides down as well. Moving down as we go to the back here, you've got black tank flush, another blacked out door, and this is going to be into your garage. One cool thing on this model, this is a separate garage, and it's 11-foot garage, so gives you a ton of space back there. Most of them are 8 foot, 10 foot, but this is an actual 11-foot garage. Keep moving back. Latch, so basically that's for pets. You can leash latch. A lot of people use that to lock up maybe their coolers or their bikes or something like that. You can just run your cable through there and attach it right there to the frame so people can't, steal your stuff, or keeps it from blowing away and stuff like that. You notice as you come back, you're going to have a nice ramp door with the railing that goes around. You do have your screen wall that comes down, so that'll separate your garage off from your patio, keep bugs and stuff from getting in there. Looks like you've got your nice big light back here, and then it looks like this also does have your the backup camera on it as well. Let's go ahead and move up. Actually, let's finish on this side real quick here. Not as exciting of a side, but just want to show you that real quick. This is the other side of on the driver's side rear. This is where your pulls are going to be to empty your black tank and your gray tank. And then also your cable inlet. This does have a detachable cord. I get this question a lot. What are these? You've got this on this side, there's another one on the other side. Those are vents that, so when you're going down the road, it allows air to come through to keep fumes from building up from your toys being on the inside. So just so you got an idea what that is for. Let's go ahead and start, and let's go check out the cool stuff on the inside here. Okay, moving on up. So coming in your main entry door into your living room here. This is an awesome layout. I don't have anything else like it. So as you come in, you're going to notice you've got your queen bed up front. You've got full storage, hanging closets all up front here. You have a separation curtain to separate your bedroom off from the living area. You've got your control panel right here. So you've got, you know, it tells you how your fills, your lights, your awning, your slide out. It's an awesome little control panel that they do as well. Light switches, water heater, everything's all centrally located. It makes it really nice and easy for you. As we come over here, you're going to notice that you do have you know, little plug-ins and USB ports on your bottom here to plug in for like your chargers and everything there. Then we'll go ahead and we'll move to the slide out. You'll notice up top, more blue LED accent lighting. They put accent lighting in their speakers. So you got speakers inside, ducted air conditioner. U-dinette, okay? So you've got a U-dinette that goes down to a bed as well. Directly across from it, you're gonna have a couch. So this is such an awesome layout, and that lays down to a bed as well. So now, essentially, I mean, if you've got friends over, you could sleep, or you could sleep 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, and then easily 2 more in the back. So you could easily sleep up to 8 in here, depending on the size of individuals, obviously. But for seating area, this is awesome because you're right across from one another. So, you know, you can sleep or sit down 2 to 3 people here, obviously 4 to 5 people here, and then overflow, you can sit 2 people right on the foot of the bed. So, I mean, you got a ton of space, open concept, awesome kitchen. You know, you've got stainless steel, but don't pop up the soap dispenser while you're doing it. So that's your soap dispenser, undermount, stainless steel, and it's like a black look stainless steel, which is really cool. And then you've got a high-rise faucet, residential faucet with a sprayer, nice sink cover that goes over top. And again, move your sink, your little soap dispenser right there, just turn it back a little bit, and then that makes that easier to get in and out. This gives you a ton more space as far as, you know, counter space goes as well, with your sink cover there, and it matches, all seamless, like a Formica countertop there, so you don't have to worry about your splitting over time. Does have a 3-burner cooktop, more blue LED accent lighting, glass top to give you more counter space. Nice little cooking board back here that just basically pulls out, so you can use that, which is pretty cool. Cutting board that comes with it. And check this out. So you've got a nice residential fridge, right? So again, matching black stainless steel. Look how big that is. So you got your residential style fridge. And this is awesome. Look how big this pantry is. Massive. So what I love about it is it's not only a huge pantry, but I mean, you could put your broom in there, you could put your trash can in there, you could put overflow, you know, cases of water, Gatorade, whatever you got. That's all going to fit in there. So you're not going to have a bunch of stuff sitting around. We'll just see. Oh, this is where your TV goes. Plugs right in there. AC, furnace. That's all standard, all ducted. I just want to come back around here to show you a little bit on this. So you do have more storage down below here. So that's full storage, and then you got storage underneath your dinette as well. All right, now moving into the bathroom. This is a walk-through pass-through bathroom. That's got a pretty nice bit of space right here. You're gonna have a sink. You're gonna have down below, you're gonna have cabinets for more storage. and then a big medicine cabinet up top. You'll see there. And then as we turn around here, you're gonna see you've got your toilet location, and then also your stand-up shower. It does have a nice skylight up above, and you do have a nice fantastic fan in your bathroom area as well. We'll move to the garage next. All right, moving back to our garage. Like I said earlier in the video here, this is an 11-foot garage, okay? So what's cool about it is you've got 2 seating areas, a little table. These seats will come, or these cushions come off, the seats fold up so that you can get your side-by-side in. You can put your little table. What most people do with this table is it's got fold-up legs. Just put it in on your front bed, and during transit, gets it up out of the way. And then your seats and everything will fold up right against the wall. You'll notice you've got your main entry door going to the bathroom, then to the living area. It is ducted with your AC and your heat back to the garage area. This does have a TV backer, so you can mount a TV right here. It already has a backer wood to screw into and plug right in. And then we'll screw around. I'm going to show you the back garage area here too, the ramp patio. So as we move to the back, what I like about this, like you can, you know, if you come to a spot, like a lot of spots will back right into like a river or something. I think that's really cool because you can just come out here, watch the river, you're hanging over top. So that's really nice about this. It does have a roll down screen. Looks like it's got your backup camera that comes with the unit, and then the roll down screen so that you can keep the bugs out, and it zips right in the center as well. And they actually put in storage cabinets up top inside the garage. You don't see very many, especially at this price point, putting in that extra storage cabinets there just because they're trying to save some costs. So that's the biggest thing with this. Again, this is a Forest River Gray Wolf. It's a 2022 model, and the model is a 29RRT. Any questions you have, you can reach me directly. Again, my name is Mitch Eilerman. My direct phone number is 937-843-4380. I'm with RV Wholesalers. Thank you.